Hello everyone! In this easy quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your character sprites blink in your visual novels using Vroid Studio. First thing first, open your Vroid Studio. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I'll leave the link in the description for you to download it. Create a male or female character, depending on your choice. After waiting, design it however you want it. In this tutorial, I'll just add a hair for Ren'Py character. After designing your character, head to the camera icon in the upper section and click it. Now, navigate to the background and make the background transparent, useful for integrating it to our visual novel. And make the peak size into square ratio. Zoom in a little bit and align the sprite forward. Though this depends on your preference on how far or close your sprite is. Now navigate to the poses and animations, select the posing tab and pose your character however you like. After posing your character, you can head to the facial expressions and disable the blinking. Now click the camera icon and bottom side and save the sprite, name it however you like. Now after saving the first sprite, your second sprite should be the same, but this time with eyes closed. So in total you made 2 sprites. You can achieve the eyes closed by scrolling down to the eyes tab and max the eyes closed. Now save the second sprite, name it however you want. Once you have the 2 sprites, we can now start coding. Head to your editor and store the 2 sprite into a variable. You can achieve that using the image keyword, put the name of your sprite, and the expression of that sprite. Now inside that image keyword, call the 2 sprites you made 1 like this in the video. The number you're typing there is the duration of how the image stays long before going to the next image. This way we can make the sprites blink simply repeating the 2 sprites you just made. Don't forget to include the repeat keyword so that the image repeats, keeping the character blink. And finally, just make the character speak something and then call the images we just made using the show keyword. Let's test it out. There you have it. We can now see your character blinking. Thanks for watching.